We have completed up to question number 20 from exercise 12. Look at question number 21. Here you have given a figure, you can see. Then they have given you the certain informations. The figure is given in such a way. This is 90 degree. This is 90 degree. This is S, T, Q, R. Question number 21. P. Now what we have to do, this is given. PQ is equal to RS by 3 is equal to 8 centimeter. So what do we get? PQ is equal to 8 centimeter and RS is equal to 3 into 8 centimeter, 24 centimeter. So PQ we have got 8 centimeter, RS we have got 24 centimeter, is it? Now this is found. Then second they have given 3 ST is equal to 4 QT is equal to 48 centimeter. So ST would be 48 by 3 centimeter, 16 centimeter, and QT will be 48 by 4 centimeter, 12 centimeter. Clear? Now this is 16 centimeter and this is 12 centimeter we have got. Now we have to get RT, TP and RP. So before we find, okay, now first we are finding RT. RT square is equal to under root RS, not need to find under root, RS square plus ST square. This is the Pythagoras theorem we know. So RT square gives you 24 centimeter whole square plus 16 centimeter whole square, or RT square is equal to 576 centimeter square plus 256 centimeter square, or RT square is equal to 832 centimeter square. This is number 1. Again, PQ square gives you PT square gives you PQ square plus TQ square. This is Pythagoras theorem. Now PQ we have 8 centimeter whole square, TQ we have 12 centimeter whole square, or it gives you 64 centimeter square plus 144 centimeter square, 208 centimeter square. This is number 2. Is it? Now, just, you remember we had a sum where we had 2 vertices of the pole and we had to find the distance between the pole. So what I am going to do? I am going to join it, the vertex P, from a line at X maybe. So what will be the length of let PX constructed. So that's what Rx would be 24 minus 8 centimeter or 16 centimeter. So what will be the length of Rp, or XP will be 12 centimeter. So what will be the length of this Rp? So Rp is equal to Rp square is equal to Rx square plus XP square. This is Pythagoras theorem we have learned, the distance between the top. So we had to join the vertices, then we had to find it. Or Rp square we are getting 16 centimeter whole square plus XP is 16 plus 12. XP is 12 plus 16 centimeter is equal to 28 centimeter. 28 centimeter whole square, or it gives you 256 centimeter square plus 784 centimeter whole square. or it gives you 6, 4, 10 at 4, 1040 centimeter square. Now you see RP square, if it is equal to the sum of this two, this angle will be 90. We have got this RT, we have got this PT. So in triangle RTP, if RT square plus TP square is equal to RP square, then the triangle is 90 degree triangle from 1, 2 and 3. I can write it RT square plus TP square is equal to RP square. Now 832 plus 208 is equal to 1040 is coming, or 8 to 10, 314, 1040 is equal to 1040 centimeter square. That's what we can find. Angle RTP is equal to 90 degree. When we find the square of this plus square of this is equal to square of this, so this angle would be 90. That only we had to do. This is question number 21. Look at question number 22. It says, in a triangle, right angle triangle, triangle ABC, angle ABC is 90 degree. ABC is 90 degree. AC is 10 centimeter. BC is 6 centimeter. Then 6, again it says BC is produced, just wait, this is C, this is 10 centimeter. Now BC is produced up to D, such that CD is 9 centimeter. Now you have to find the length of AD. Is it? So first in triangle ABC, I have to find AB. AB is equal to under root AC square minus BC square. Pythagoras theorem. 10 centimeter whole square minus 6 centimeter whole square. 100 minus 36 centimeter square. 64 centimeter square, or 8 centimeter. According to the question, CD is equal to 9 centimeter. So that's what BT will be, 6 centimeter plus 9 centimeter, 15 centimeter. Clear? Now, again in triangle AD, ABD, AD square is equal to AB square plus BD square. This is the Pythagoras theorem we have. Or AD square is equal to 6 centimeter whole square. Why 6 I am writing here? AB is 8 centimeter whole square plus 15 centimeter whole square under root. Or AD is equal to 64 plus 225 centimeter square. AD is equal to under root 289 centimeter square, or 17 centimeter is the length of AD. So these two sums you will write in your copy, and the leftover sums I will send you as a PDF so that you can finish the exercise. Okay. For today you leave it up to here. Thank you, dears.